Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to find the sweet spots for the intraday trading on the stocks with a few examples and real-time trades I'm going to show. Before going into the uh, content details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay. This is the the money breeder market opening structure, how market is going to open, what kind of candles it is going to form, all those details I marked as a one slide. In case you want, you can take the snapshot. Okay. uh, Today's topic is how to find sweet spots for intraday trading in stocks. Okay, point by point I'm going to discuss in this video. Find the gap downs on weekly or daily time frame. You take all the stocks, Nifty 50 stocks or F&O stocks especially. You find the stocks where you are having the gaps. Okay, you mark the gaps daily. What you have to do is, if you are the really serious about the market, every day you have to scroll down all the charts, all the weekly and daily time frames. If the market price reaches to the gaps, you have to mark and you have to create the watch list. Those stocks you have to add to the watch list. Okay, that is what I do. And I wait for the important levels to come. Okay. In this case, I took two stocks today, which are nice trades. One is the Reliance, other one is the Asian Paints. Okay, these two are Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, mark the important levels where the gap down happens. Okay, you mark that level. How to mark all those details I'm going to show in the chart. Wait for the price to reach the sweet spot. Okay, that is the sweet spot. Okay, then wait for the confirmation, initiate the trade. You can expect 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2 also. Okay, most of the time I always satisfy with 1 is to 1 risk reward. Okay. What I do is, if I take the a longer time trade, right, like waiting for more time, like more than 10 minutes or more than 1 hour or 2 hours, then I initiate with 1 or 2 lots and wait for the longer time and aim for the 1 is to 2. Okay, in case if I see the any sweet spot, right, immediately quickly I initiate with 5 lots or 10 lots and get you know uh, 1 is to 1 risk reward and close the trade. Okay, that's what I always does. Okay, let's go to the, these are the points. Let's go to the charts actually. Okay, this is the Asian Paint charts, 5-minute chart. Let me go to the weekly chart. Okay, if we see the weekly chart, right, this is the area. Most of the time, this gaps, right, are going to be the, these are the gaps going to be the resistance. Okay, the moment it tried to enter to the gap area. Okay, now let's say one day before I created the watch list. This is my watch list I created and added to the watch list. Okay, now I'm going to go for the 5 minutes chart. What we have to see in that 5 minutes time frame, right? Okay, maybe I might have drawn wrongly. Okay, little bit downside. Okay, let's go to the, okay, something like that, wherever this body close, right, that is the area exactly. Okay, this is the area, this body close. Sometimes sometimes if the stock having long consolidation, here there could be some consolidation and slowly goes up, goes up, goes up. Once it reaches to this point, then severely it will sell retest this point, and then again it will go up. Okay, these are the points we have to see. First trade we can get it here. Okay, here this is the spot. Second trade we can get it here also. Okay, two trades we can plan for any gap stocks, actually any gap downs or gap ups also. Okay, here I am going to draw. This is the area I was looking for the trade opportunities. Okay, the moment it enters into this, okay, the people whoever took here, right? Of course, this is my positional stock, Asian Paints. I am holding it. Okay. So whoever enters into this, they are trying to exit here. Okay. That is the thing. The moment it goes, the moment it enters into the resistance area, it start booking. Okay. The people whoever enters here to here, 10 percentage more percentage might have come. So they wanted to book, capitalize some profit. Okay. That is the area. Okay, how to get this is the confirmation. Okay, we need to wait for the confirmation. This is the price action. If you see the price action, this is the rejection, right? Price rejection. Okay, once this price rejection happens, okay, remember guys, the first candle, whatever this is the, okay, first red candle before the green candle, always mark that candle. Okay, that is the spot. You have to mark that area. Okay, that overlapping area you can mark. After marking that, wait for the, wait, if the price, you see the reaction, price reaction. If you see the price reaction as a rejections here, you can initiate the trade by having the 1:1 definitely. Okay, this is your first target, this is your second target, is the day low or previous day high. Okay, you can trail the stop loss. This is how we have to trade in this, actually. Okay, if you see the option chart, this is my option chart. Okay, so eh, the moment the stock reached here, I marked it. Okay, I was waiting for this one. This is my stop loss. Okay, my entry was like, my entry was 10:39. 10:39, this is the candle, right? This is the candle. Okay, after this red candle, this is my 10:39 candle. Okay, this is the small candle I took the entry as at 57. My stop loss is 62. Okay, 57, 62. That means I am having the 5 points. 5 points is the stop loss. So 52, I supposed to exit at 52. Okay, immediately I can, I see this, I see this. Here I see the some rejection. That's what I waited, and I give up and I exited for 1 is to almost 1 is to 1 risk reward trade. Okay, this is Asian Paints story. Coming to the Reliance, okay, I have not traded in the Reliance, okay, this direction, because what happened was I was holding the Nifty positions. The moment I see this red candle, right? Okay, in the Nifty also, in the Nifty, the first candle, I see the red candle. Okay, that was the big candle. This is the candle. Okay, I was busy with exiting my positions. Okay, overnight positions. I was having calendar spreads, actually. I was trying to exit. Okay, the moment I exited, it started falling heavily. Heavily, the fall was heavy, actually. If we see the Reliance, okay, what is the time? Okay, 2:15. Okay, this is the 12:40. Sorry, this is where 2:15, right? 2:15. Yes. Sorry, this is the candle. Okay, this is the candle. What happened was it's fallen, retested back this area. I mentioned, right? This is how the first green candle, we have to mark the first green candle. So whenever you see this kind of fall, right? Definitely it comes for that, and then it start falling. So I marked it. I was waiting for the opportunity to exit. Okay. This was the time, if you see, right, to 215 218, I was busy with exiting the my overnight positions, the nifty calendar spreads. Four I exited. After that, anyway, reversal trade is there in the Reliance. The reversal trade I attempted from here to here, since it was the heavy fall, right? Since it was the heavy fall, and also there could be some news with this US, all those things. We cannot watch the news during the market hours. Uh, to avoid those things, right? I went today with the protective manner. Okay, the protective manner in the sense, what I did, I sold the one PE. I sold the one PE. Okay, and I bought other PE. This is where in between the profit, I quickly exited the profit which I made 4,000 rupees in this Reliance. So how this is worked out? If you go to the larger time frame, right? Okay, this is the sweet spot, right? This was the gap where the, okay, where the market was initiated. This is what, even in the Asian paints I mentioned, right? Okay, if you go to the lower time frame, here here what I mean was, sometimes, okay, the first opportunity you will get from here itself. The second opportunity, it will go like this, like this, like this, in the upper end. The moment it comes here, this is the upper end, right? Here the big, since here the big gap was there, this, here the institutions, right? This is where the lot of accumulation happened. Okay, the distribution happened here. So same behavior in this gap, there could be a lot of sell orders. Okay, this is the reason I was waiting for the opportunity in the Reliance. Okay, like this, two times we can get the, two three times we can get the trade opportunities during these gaps actually. Okay, these are the gaps we can trade easily by having the things. Okay, but the condition here is you have to daily check this and make the watch list like this. These are the long positions. If in case I wanted to go for the long position, I wanted to trade these three stocks. Okay, if I wanted to go with the short positions, these are my short, not ITC. Okay, the Kotak Bank, Indian Bank, LIC, Tata Chemicals, BEL. Okay, Tata Capital. Why BEL? Because see, this was the big red candle for, okay, this is the big red candle. Okay, it came for the off retest. Okay, then it is engulfing with the another red candle. It's over. If this breaks down, we can expect the next level to trade till 400 or 390 levels. So we can capitalize some few points, like 4 5 points, where we will get 10,000 rupees. Okay, this is the one of the sweet spot. I like this. Okay, we have to create the watch list first. Okay, so then only we always be alerted, and we can get the opportunities. Okay, this is how I trade actually sometimes. Okay, I wanted to show the same thing for you as well. That is the reason behind this video. Okay, please be mindful of the risk, all those things. Okay, this is purely for the educational purpose. Okay, thank you so much, friends. If you like my content, please press the like button for this video, and also try to subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much.